LEX'S Dirty Maintenance Show.
A sweet power slide.
What's going on, Skid Bro? Got a dishwasher here. GE. They said it's making a racket when it goes into the drain mode. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, I hear something down there. It's gonna be something inside the waste basket. I'll let it drain out and then show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, that should be good. We'll get the old 1/4" nut driver. My Klein tool bag's still good. It's a backpack. Lugging up tools 3 flights of stairs sure is easy when you got a backpack. What's in the bag? It's got some Jackie Chan's, got some crescent wrench, magnetic nut drivers. You're gonna need your 1/4". Just 2 screws. Get the screws in the back there. You get a whistle your S's too when you do it. The screws. Screw there and a screw there. Just take them out. We'll lift that basket up. There's gonna be some trash under here. Let's see what it is. There we go. There's a screw right here. There's already a top in here. I was just laying beside the basket. I'll just pull this right here, pull it up. The basket will go underneath it. Sometimes you gotta manhandle them. Get that out of there too. Come on, guy, get out of there. Alright, what you're gonna have to do is put your hand down in this and feel around for something solid. Why do you and that Steve guy wear gloves, Why do y'all wear gloves in your videos? Let's see what that is. I don't know what it is, but it's hard. Look like a rock or something. The same old same. Alright, it feels clear now. Yeah, there's like a little propeller in here. This is like a little garbage disposal. It grounds up all the waste food and stuff, the wasted food that comes off your plates. Yeah, we're clear now. That's all you gotta do, man. Pull that thing off and pull the solids out of there. It's easier to come from behind the element there. Push that back in. Sometimes it can be a bug. Screw it back down first, and then we'll cross that bridge. Oh, there we go. I think I'm just going to start filming AC leaks, guys. I know I said in my last coil leak video I was gonna stop, but I think I'm gonna just film it, dude. Why not? There's so many out here. Just gonna start filming them. To heck with it. Alright, it's back together. Just like that. And we'll fire it up, make sure it's quiet. Alright, it's been running a while, it's been quiet. Let's see if it's quiet when it drains. Oh yeah, we're good, Skid Bro. Very nice. Thank you for watching The Dirty Maintenance Show.